Good afternoon guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin and I am heading towards Asagaon, and I just wanted to cover this route. So on the right here you can see a High Five Hotels, and again on the right here Pushpa Inn. So in Asagaon you will find a good range of cafes and restaurants like this one, Coffee Culture. But yes, the rates are definitely over the roof in some places. But if you have the money or if you want to come visit fancy places, Asagaon has many options. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head straight towards Vinayak restaurant, and then from there I'll show you some more places, and then from there on we'll head towards Kalangut. What's this on the right? Some nice villa, looks like a private villa. Yeah. So like I said, in Asagaon you'll find a mix of almost everything. You'll find some old Portuguese style houses as well. On the left here you can see some, and look at this dog, he's climbed on the wall. And if you want to stay in a quiet place, then yes, Asagaon is a very good option. On the left here there was a chapel. What's this here? Primary Health Center Sholim. Okay, so to go to that you have to take this left. We'll be heading straight. I know there's a right here somewhere that goes towards Vinayak, so I'm just waiting for that turn, or maybe I'll just take that turn and then take a left to go towards the restaurants that I was talking about. And if you see here nowadays, less people, but this guy was driving very rash, the taxi people. In most of the cases, you know, they are always in a hurry, so just let them go guys. They are in a hurry because of their customers. Better not to overtake them or something. Madani, this looked like a good, I don't know, restaurant or what it is. There's a supermarket here and some big structure here on the right. Again, I have no idea what it is, but Kurak, Omega Wines, Omega Supermarket. Okay, so if you're planning to stay here, there are many options as well. There are supermarkets and there's wine shops. Wine shops obviously you'll find in any corner of Goa, so that's not really a problem. But unfortunately I didn't see any medical store. And yeah, this is the right that will go towards Vinayak. I know this because of the slope here. And coming up ahead on the right here is Fortune's Pizzeria. We've been here and I like the pizza over here because it was made by an Italian chef, Roberta, if I remember her name. Yeah, this one on the right here. We made a video here as well. We had a very good experience. Right now I don't know how it is, the latest reviews I don't know, but Vinayak, yes. If you come here in the afternoon, you won't get place to stand here, this restaurant Vinayak. So for those of you who don't know, Vinayak, it's a very, very good, excellent place for seafood. And just look at the view of the fields here on the left. So because we are in the peak monsoon season right now, the greenery is fabulous. Okay, that's a tempo that just overtook us, and that reminds me there's one more place here for authentic Goan breakfast. Where is it? Somewhere on the right here. I forgot the name guys. We've been to so many places for food. Sometimes I forget the name, but it's here on the right somewhere in one of the small villas. I remember their roast omelette and everything what I had there was very, very good. And even the video has I think crossed around 9 or 10,000 views. And the rates, most importantly, the rates are very reasonable. And it's good to see the roads here are in a good condition, because few months ago the roads here were not at all in a good condition. And coming up ahead here is a junction, and I have to be extremely cautious here because I don't want to say it really, but there are some accidents that have taken place. You can see here Happy Bar and General Store on the right here. Now I'll tell you what this place is. I like to come here. I used to come here once in a while, and I really like the place because that particular house is more than 100 years old. So if you are a fan of old structures, you will really enjoy sitting there and having some drinks. I have come there to have some beer, and they barely charge like 40 or 50 rupees extra, and they have limited snacks. Okay, on the left here you can see so many restaurants here. So this is one of the reasons why I wanted to show you Asagaon. And there has been a lot of development that has taken place. I know some of you guys will say that it's not very good. I am one of them, partially I would say, because overdevelopment of a place takes away the beauty of what nature has to offer. So yeah, if there's like controlled development and at the same time nature is not destroyed, then the place is beautiful. Look at this, Jose Bar, and what is this, Nico Bar, Coco Paddle, so many places here. Beautiful Portuguese style villa on the right, and as you can see here, there's greenery as well. Doggy man over here, 3 of them sleeping on the road, and someone has parked their bike right here. So this road straight will take us towards Mapsa. I want to go towards Calangute, but let me just keep riding straight. I don't really remember the road as of now, but I'm sure once I keep going straight I will understand where I am. Bombay Gourmet. This looks like is it a restaurant? No, supermarket, market store. Look at this supermarket, how beautiful it looks. So only in Goa you will find supermarkets and restaurants that look like this. Look at the painting on this one. And if you are a fan of colors, you will not be disappointed, because Goa seriously has one of the best colors to offer. You will find colorful places almost everywhere in every lane that you go to. Okay, what's this? Looks like a school. Yeah, this is some school here on the left. You have to be a bit cautious because of the turns over here and the winding roads. You have to keep an eye on both sides. What is this place? Again, a villa that is converted into a restaurant, Black Vanilla. So you'll find all the big names over here. Jamun also is one of the big names, and I like those videos made by, I think his name is Chef Piku. Yeah, he makes some very nice reels. He's the owner of Jamun, if I'm not mistaken. Eleve. Okay, one of my friend had stayed here, somewhere here. I think that was Eleve, and they have made. I can't recollect the name, but they have made rooms. How can I say it? The structures are like circular, like igloos, but then it's like a rainforest sort of a theme that they have given. So once you enter inside, you will see dense. There are plants, and then there are a lot of trees. So you will feel like you are in a rainforest, and it was superb. Yes, the rates are a bit too much, but that property belonged to one of my friends. So my friend was staying there, and it was too good. Like you'll feel like you've entered another world. So that property was really nice. And if you do a little bit of research, if you check on Google, you will find many places here as well to stay. And as you can see, if you like quiet places, silent places, Rottweiler and a Doberman were left over there. Thank God I was not on that side. But yeah, if you are leaving your dogs outside, please be cautious. Look at this. Because if the dogs bite someone, then you will be held responsible. Tudor House. So many restaurants over here. Look at this. Izumi, Vim. There's a lot on this stretch. And it was raining very heavily last night. So that's the reason why the weather is very good. But right now Kesar Bagh is here. I think they serve Lucknowi food. Yes, but again the rates were very high when we saw on Google. Adwan, so many places here guys. Arjuna Academy. Okay, Arjuna has an academy. Bawri I think belongs to some actor. I don't know. But anyways, I hope you got to know a lot of places. There's a tempo that is honking behind us, so I let him go. And as you can see here, the beauty of this place is still so damn good. Okay, we have a board coming up here. left will take us towards Asagaon, right towards Mapsa. Okay, let's just go from the Mapsa road. I think this will connect us towards Kalangut, the Mapsa road. So we'll just take this road straight and head towards Kalangut. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found it informative. If you did, do leave a thumbs up and leave your comments. By the way, we just got back from the Shiolim market and the experience was disappointing, to be honest. But yes, we have covered many places like Perne market, Vasco fish market, Saturday market, and so many places where the rates are very good. But at times, yeah, it does happen that you don't end up getting what you're looking for. So this was one of those days, but the ride nevertheless has been beautiful. And yes, this looks like a familiar place. I think I've passed by. This will connect us towards somewhere towards Mapsa. So I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.